What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be baking up some raisin bread, and as usual, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the Greedy Gang. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So to start, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of flour to the mixer, and I'm going to add the rest eventually. The level of humidity in your kitchen can determine how much more flour or liquid you need to add to make your dough. So we'll add the rest later. Now I'm going to add some salt, and I'm going to add some sugar, and the sugar will feed the yeast. And then I'm going to add some yeast, 1 egg, and then I'm going to add some warm milk, and the warm milk will definitely activate these. With the dough hook attached, I'm just going to allow all the ingredients to combine together. So all the ingredients been mixing for about 4 minutes. So I'm just adding the raisins now. That's half cup of raisin to the mixture, just to incorporate them into the dough. As you can see here, the dough is still moist enough to accept the remaining amount of flour. So in total, I'm using 3 cups of flour. So the dough has come together nicely, and I'm just going to add some butter to the dough and let it mix until it's fully incorporated. So you want to start mixing the dough on speed 1 and then gradually increase the speed to 2 and allow the mixing to complete on speed 2. Also, the entire mixing of the dough should take approximately 8 to 9 minutes. So with the dough set aside, resting for about 5 minutes, I'm adding some cinnamon to my pureed raisins and grated coconut, and this will be the filling for my dough. So now I'm just going to knead the dough for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm going to shape it into a ball. So here I'm just greasing a bowl that I'm going to put my dough in, just to prove or double it in size for about 60 minutes. Okay, so the dough has doubled in size and I'm removing it from the bowl, and I'm just using my fingers to press the air out of the dough. And then I'm going to use the rolling pin to roll the dough flat and shape it into a rectangle. So now I'm going to add some butter to coat most of the dough, and then I'm going to spread the raisin and the coconut mixture all over the dough. So now I'm going to roll the dough like I would if I was making a cinnamon roll, and then I'm going to use the end of the dough to seal it together. So here I'm just using the rolling pin to flatten the dough out a bit, and then I'm going to use a pizza cutter to split the roll in two. So now I'm going to make a twist pattern by continuously placing each piece of dough over each other. So I realized soon after that my dough couldn't fit in my baking pan, so I eventually split the dough into two. And of course, that didn't matter because now I have two raisin breads. So now I'm going to let them proof for 60 minutes and then bake at 360 for 15 to 17 minutes. So I made a simple syrup with sugar and water, and I'm just going to use that to just glaze the breads. So here you have it, my rendition of raisin bread with raisins, coconut, and a cinnamon filling. You can try this recipe and I'm sure you won't regret it. It's moist, sweet, and flavorful with all the coconut and raisin between the layers. So yes, we have come to the end of another video, and I just want to say thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And as usual, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family so they too can see what Greedy Girl Anna is cooking up over here. See you in the next video. Bye.